Hello everyone, this is Krithik. I'm the founder of the company Futura Robotics. So I used to train a lot of students on robotics, artificial intelligence and many emerging technologies. Also, I have personally developed many technologies such as the generative AI, LLMs and many more emerging technologies. So I've also personally built an humanoid robot, a solar powered electric car and many more inventions. And I've also received many honorable awards for these inventions. Like currently I have 12 national awards, 8 state awards and I have did more than 10 world records. India is one of the fastest growing countries in the world, and technology plays a major role in its development. So, if we say the youth population of India, we have a population which has the aspiration, which has the dream to learn something new every day. And the emerging technologies that are coming from a lot of sources is going to really help these youth to grow the country. Now, India has too many problem statements, and equally, we have the youth who can solve this problem. And to say about the problem statements in India, India has got a lot of problems, say the sustainable development goals or local issues, or we have a lot of solutions that can actually be brought by AI. So, if we are learning AI, if we are building something with AI, then that's going to be the biggest ever gift you're going to give to your country. So for my undergraduate, I landed out in Singapore, and Singapore is one of the best example I could give about how technology is being used in everyday life. The government agencies, the private agencies, even a normal person is using technology in his everyday life. So something like that, technology has become very vital everywhere. So particularly in Singapore, one thing that fascinated me was the Sing Pass. So Singapore government has this thing. So as India, we have these Aadhaar cards. So Singapore government has this thing called a Sing Pass. And one thing that I got shocked was that Singapore government uses this mobile camera to verify your identity. Like in our case, we use a lot of biometric sensors and a lot of these things physically. But they use a simple mobile phone camera to verify your identity. This is something that's really fascinating and something that needs to be bought everywhere. So by looking at this, we can see the AI power what Singapore has. So this is one of my opinion on Singapore, and most importantly, Singapore is a cross-cultural hub. Like people around the world come to Singapore and they discuss, they set up startups, they make a lot of conferences. So it is one of a cross-cultural hub where if you network there, you are able to reach around the globe. So this is my landscape and view on Singapore. And particularly coming back to India, India can also be Singapore one day. We have a lot of conferences, we have a lot of cross-cultural hubs, we have the technology to make India a developed country. So the only thing that is required is to implement these technologies in India. So as far as India, we have a lot of technologies, like we have a lot of students, we have a lot of youth force who can develop more emerging technologies. But the only problem is that the implementation. So implementation needs a lot of experience and a lot of groundwork. So implementing a project is like you can actually make it easier with the help of these conferences. I'm very much happy that the DeepTech Summits has brought this thing into life, and this is a very much good opportunity for the students and the youth population around to come and explore around the startups and look around the panel discussions and every talk that the people are giving. So this is going to be a very good kind of experience session for you. So I really thank DeepTech Summits for giving me such a wonderful opportunity, and all the best for your events. Thank you.